Hello everyone, I'm Reena and welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make black-eyed peas curry. When I was in boarding school in 8th grade, every Thursday night we used to have black-eyed peas curry for dinner with just plain rice. And I always used to overeat it every single time. I miss those days. Alright, let's start preparing the curry. I have washed and soaked 1.5 cup of dry black-eyed peas for 3 hours. Let me take this out of the way right now and we'll prepare the curry. For curry, I'll roughly chop 2 tomatoes into medium to small sizes. And I'll grate 2 small ginger pieces. And I'll put this aside and let's get the Instant Pot started. So I'm making black-eyed peas in Instant Pot for the first time. I have made it in regular pressure cooker but never in Instant Pot. So we will together find out the result at the end. Into the Instant Pot goes 3 tablespoons of oil. The Instant Pot is on the saute mode and I'll let the oil heat up for just about a minute or two. Then I'll add 2 teaspoons of cumin. Add the grated ginger. You don't want ginger to burn, so let's give it a stir and then add 2 chopped tomatoes. I'll mix it well so it gets well combined with cumin and ginger. I am adding salt only for the portion of tomatoes right now. If you put salt right after tomatoes, it will help cook faster. I'll add about half teaspoon of turmeric. Then add 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder as per your preference. I'm also adding 2 teaspoon of coriander powder. And mix it so the spices get well combined with tomatoes. Now here you can add about 1/8 cup of water just to prevent it from burning. You do want to keep stirring occasionally. And finally, I'll add soaked black-eyed peas and 2 teaspoons of salt. Now this is just for the portion of peas, but feel free to adjust it as per your taste. Then I'll be adding 1.5 cups of water. Let me give it a taste to make sure if I need anything. Salt is good, but I think I'll need 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala. If you don't have garam masala, you can use curry powder as well. I personally like my curry to be thicker. For that, I will use 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Into that, I'll add 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of water. Mix it well to make it into a paste. Then add into the curry and give it a stir. If you don't have gram flour, then you can mash the black-eyed peas a little to thicken the curry. This won't change the taste at all. Now this whole time, the Instant Pot has been on saute mode. Oh yes, let me add minced garlic. I completely forgot about that. Be sure you don't forget and add ginger and garlic before adding tomatoes. Alright, let's put the lid on, close the air vent, turn off the saute mode, and I'll cook on manual mode for 11 minutes. Alright, it's time. Before opening the Instant Pot, make sure to open the air vent to release any pressure built in. Let me check if the black-eyed peas are cooked through. I'm using fork to check. I think I'm gonna cook it for 4 more minutes on manual mode. And yes, don't forget to close the air vent. After 4 minutes, again, Open the air vent first and then remove the lid. Let me check it again. Looks soft and well cooked. This is actually the perfect consistency of the curry I like. Let me give it a taste, and I think I may need lime juice later. Let me transfer it into a big bowl. I'll add some freshly chopped cilantro, and the black-eyed peas curry is ready. I'll plate the black-eyed peas curry with some freshly chopped tomato onion salad and some homemade whole wheat rotis. You can also enjoy this black-eyed peas curry with some plain rice as well. I am super hungry, so without waiting any more, I'll enjoy this curry. You should give it a try too, because I think you'll like it. Don't forget to leave the comments down below if you do. You can follow Flamboyant Flavors on Instagram as well. And I'll see you in the next video, but before I go, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and please subscribe to Flamboyant Flavors to check out my future videos.